Salve! Welcome to Easy Latin Part 1. In this lesson, we're going to look at some basic phrases and learning some easy sentences. Ego sum Ellen. What do you think this means? I am Ellen. So ego sum means I am. See if you can guess what the next words mean. Ego sum, I am. But I can also just say sum nauta. I am a sailor. Some Rex. I am a king. Some miles. I am a soldier. We're going to use these three nouns to try some sentences. So here is a new sentence. Nauta laborat. Nauta means the sailor. What might you guess laborat means? Try and think of some words we get in English from it, like labor. So nauta laborat, the sailor works. Here's a new one. Rex numerat. Rex is the king. Numerat. That might have something to do with numbers. You're right, it's the king counts. Miles ambulat. Miles means soldier, and ambulat, don't use the word ambulance, that's a false friend. But what we do get is amble, which means to walk sedately. So miles ambulat means the soldier walks. These are the three sentences we just saw. Nauta laborat, the sailor works. Rex numerat, the king counts. And miles ambulat, the soldier walks. Now we're going to change these sentences up. See if you can remember what the different words mean and put them into a sentence. So, miles numerat. What does that mean? Miles numerat means the soldier counts. This time, the second sentence is Rex laborat. What does that mean? The king works. And nauta ambulat means the sailor walks. So I have just switched the verbs with the nouns. So let's recap what we've learned. If you want to test yourself, pause the video after each question to see if you know the answer. How do you say I am in Latin? Ego sum, or just sum on its own. How would you say the king walks? Rex ambulat. And the sailor counts would be nauta numerat. Yuge! Optime! Well done, you have completed your first easy Latin lesson. If you want to continue your Latin journey, sign up for my free workshop to learn Latin in just 1 hour. It's an on-demand video training and it is online. It'll give you the fundamental grammar and vocabulary that you need to learn Latin, and I'll go through the 5 biggest mistakes I see people making time and time again. The workshop also includes my free guides, so sign up at the link in the description below. Voila!